Hey guys, here I am again with a new craft idea. Today we will learn how to make paper bird and how to draw a nest. So let's start. Take a square paper, fold it in half to make a triangular shape. Now as I am showing, from here to here we will make a cut to carve out feathers of the bird. I am using origami sheet, but it can be easily made by using any paper. Now fold the paper upwards as shown from both sides. This will resemble like feathers of the bird. The front area will be the head and we will make the beak by folding the corner inwards. The bird is complete. However, we can always sketch the key areas such as eyes, beak, tail and feathers. By doing so, it highlights the bird and it looks more eye-catching from distance also. As our bird is ready, let's make its home, that is nest. We will start by drawing eggs. One thumb rule guys, always start drawing, painting or any scenery from inside to outside. It will give you more things to imagine and draw in a better way. As you can see, after I have drawn eggs, now I have a good idea in how much area I have to draw nest and in which direction. Just follow the steps to see great results. Now we will color the eggs and nest. We will color the egg with yellow and nest with the brown color. Our beautiful bird and nest is ready. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive further updates. In the next video, we will learn how to make shirt and pant with paper. Thanks for watching.